This video provides a short tutorial on how to create and connect to an ApsaraDB RDS for PostgreSQL instance. An RDS instance can be set up in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Create an instance. Step 2. Create an account and a database. Step 3. Configure an IP address whitelist. Step 4. Connect to the RDS instance. Step 1. Create an instance. Log on to the ApsaraDB RDS console. In the left side navigation pane, click Instances. In the top navigation bar, select a region, then click Create Instance. Configure the parameters, such as billing method, database engine, and instance type. You can click Quick Start to view the parameter descriptions. In the Current Specifications section, double-check the parameter settings, then click Next, confirm order. Read and select Terms of Service and click Pay Now to complete the payment. In the Activated step, click Console to go to the Instances page to view the instance that is being created. Step 2. Create an account and a database. Click the Instance ID to go to the Instance Details page. In the left side navigation pane, click Accounts. On the page that appears, click Create Account. Configure the parameters such as database account, account type, and password. Click OK. In the left side navigation pane, click Databases. On the page that appears, click Create Database. Configure the parameters such as database name, supported character set, and authorized account. You do not need to grant permissions on databases to a privileged account. Click Create. Step 3. Configure an IP address whitelist. In the left side navigation pane, click Whitelist and Segroup. On the page that appears, click Create Whitelist. Configure the whitelist name and IP addresses parameters. If you want to connect your client to the instance over the Internet, set the IP addresses parameter the public IP address of the client. If you have installed a client on an ECS instance and want to connect to the RDS instance over the internal network, set the IP addresses parameter to the internal IP address of the ECS instance. You can also click at Internal IP addresses of ECS instances to add the internal IP address of the ECS instance to the IP address whitelist. Configure the group name parameter and click OK. Step 4. Connect to the RDS instance. In the left side navigation pane, click Database Connection. If you want to connect to the instance over the internal network, copy the internal endpoint and internal port. If you want to connect to the instance over the Internet, click Apply for Public Endpoint. Refresh the page, then copy the endpoint and port. Open your client. Right-click Servers and choose Register, Server. On the General tab, configure the name parameter. On the Connection tab, configure the host name, port, username, and password parameters. Click Save. If this page appears, the instance is connected. Now, you can start your journey with ApsaraDB RDS for PostgreSQL.